Hi everyone, welcome back to Sammy's Cakery, and today I'm going to show you how to make eggless peanut butter cookies. These are quick and easy to make and they are sure to be a crowd pleaser. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, cream together 120 grams unsalted butter along with half a cup of castor sugar, half a cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of smooth peanut butter. Blend till nice and smooth. Next, add in 1/4 cup of apple sauce and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Don't forget to check the notes in the description box below on how to make your own apple sauce. Blend well till nice and smooth. In another bowl, combine 1½ cup of flour, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk these well together. In batches of 3, add the dry mix to the wet ingredients bowl and continue to mix until well combined. For the initial mixing, I prefer using a spatula. Once all the dry ingredients have been added to the wet ingredients, you could use a beater and mix until nice and smooth. Once this is done, line your baking tray with parchment paper or a silicone mat. You also need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius while you prepare your cookie dough. Coat the dough balls with extra castor sugar on all sides and place them on the baking tray. Leave enough of space between each cookie as these will spread while baking. Using a fork, press gently both ways as shown in the video. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges turn firm and golden brown. Each oven is different, so keep a check and do not overbake. Let these cool for a few minutes on the baking tray and move to a cooling rack. Once completely cool, store in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment and let us know how you like this recipe. And don't forget to hit that like and share button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.